Satnam, I'm only a month away from my graduation date, and it's hard to believe I started the program last year in March. It's been almost 18 months so far, and it was quite a journey. Today I just wanted to summarize how I feel. When I started, it was the most hectic, most complicated period in my life. I was feeling puzzled, middle of existential crisis, right after COVID. I was really in a depression mood and looking for some hope, some guidance, some inspiration. And that time I just remember I was practicing yoga with the YouTube videos in the past, and one of my favorite was one of Salimah's old video. Then I thought, let me just reach out to this amazing lady to see how I can just continue practicing yoga. This one email started the entire journey, and I did my 101, I started the course, and I started my daily practices. As a result, great transformation happened. First of all, I got pregnant and I had my baby girl this year in April, and I can truly say she is a Kundalini baby girl. She did practice with me every single day during pregnancy. I managed to practice certain kriyas more than 350 days in the past, and just give me tons of strength, and I just find my voice again. I definitely started to look around with a fresh pair of eyes, with a brand new mindset, I will say. It was transformational, just give me tons of inspiration about many things in life. But first of all, the most important point was the confidence about myself and about the motherhood. And after having my baby, I just thought most probably this miracle happened as a result of this dedicated practice. I'm gonna miss the gang. I'm gonna really miss our joint times together, but I know we will always stay close to each other and stay connected. So I love you all. Satnam.